Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. In this video, we will continue with the exercise 8.1. Question number 5. Write as fractions reduced to lowest forms. Here the first decimal is 0.6. There is one digit after a point. So, 1 0 will come in the denominator and the fraction will be 6 upon 10. Common factor here is 2. 2 3s are, 2 5s are. Lowest form will be 3 upon 5. 6 upon 10 is a fraction. 3 upon 5 is the lowest form. B. 2.5. There is a digit after a point. So 1 0 will come in the denominator. Yes, the fraction will be 25 upon 10. There is a common factor 5. So 5 5s are, 5 2s are. Lowest form will be 5 upon 2. 25 upon 10 is a fraction. 5 upon 2 is the lowest form. Next is 3.8. One digit after a point. So 1 0 in the denominator. 38 upon 10. Common factor is 2. 2 19s are, 2 5s are. That is 19 upon 5. 38 upon 10 is a fraction. 19 upon 5 is the lowest form. Next is 21.2. Again one digit after a point. So 1 0 in the denominator. The common factor is 2. 2 106 are and 2 5s are. Next is 106 upon 5. So 212 upon 10 is a fraction and 106 upon 5 is a lowest form. Express as centimeter using decimals. The given values are in millimeter. We have to change it into centimeter. We will divide it by 10 to get the answer in centimeter. 2 upon 10. 1 0 in the denominator. So a point will come after one digit from right. Yes, it will be 0.2. Now the answer is in centimeter. Next is 30 millimeter. Divided by 10 to get the answer in centimeter. 1 0 in the denominator. So point will be after one digit from right. Numerator is 30. So answer is 3.0 centimeter. Next is 4 centimeter, 2 millimeter. 4 is already in centimeter. To convert 2 in centimeter, divided by 10. 4 will be as it is. 2 upon 10 means point after one digit from right. 4 is a whole number. Added to the whole part of the decimal number. 4 plus 0 will be 4. Decimal part as it is. So 4.2 centimeter. 162 millimeter. Divided by 10 to get the answer in centimeter. 1 0 in the denominator means point will be after one digit from right. Answer is 16.2 centimeter. Question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? Which of these whole numbers is nearer to the given number? Here I am using a number line. Here all the markings are at equal distance. Now marking the centers and labeling them as 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 and so on. Here the first number given to you is 0.8. 0 is a whole number. It will come between 0 and 1. 8 is a decimal part here, which will come between 0.5 and 1, and yes, it is nearer to 1. Your next number is 5.1. Here the whole number is 5. It will lie between 5 and 6. The decimal part is 0.1. So it will come between 5 and 5.5. And yes, it is nearer to 5 here. The next number is 2.6. 2 is a whole number. It will lie between 2 and 3. 0.6 is a decimal part, which will come between 2.5 and 3 and is nearer to 3. The next number is 6.4. 6 is a whole number part, so it will come between 6 and 7. 0.4 is a decimal part, which means it is between 6 and 6.5, so it is nearer to 6. Next, question number 10. The length of Ramesh's notebook is 9 cm 5 mm. What will be its length in centimeter? The given value is in centimeter and millimeter. We have to convert it into centimeter. So, length of the notebook in centimeter, 9 centimeter 5 mm is the given value. 9 is already in centimeter. To convert 5 millimeter into centimeter, divide the value by 10. 9 will come as it is. 5 upon 10 means 0.5. 10 means point after one digit from right. 9 is a whole number. Add it to the whole part of the decimal number. 9 plus 0 means 9 and the decimal part will come as it is. Final answer is 9.5 centimeter. Next, the length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. Express its length in centimeter. Again, we have to convert millimeter into centimeter. The given value is in millimeter. To convert it into centimeter, we will divide the given value by 10. 10 in the denominator means 6.5. Numerator is 65. 10 in the denominator means point will come after one digit from right. I hope all the questions are clear to you. The conversions are clear to you. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.